Hi, we're back out here in the shop at Trick Tools, and I'm Bryson Smith, and I'm going to give you guys a rundown on the Proline portable planishing hammer and the features that make it a good portable unit as well as a high quality stationary machine. One thing that can make or break any machine is the platform which it's built on. This machine here was built on a 1-inch thick cast iron base that has mounted wheels for easy mobility. The structural upright tube provides a solid mounting location for the foot pedal operation, the stainless steel die rack, and the portable planishing yoke. What makes this hammer into the portable unit that it is not the fact that it's on wheels, but the fact that this hammerhead is easily removable. And with the addition of an optional trigger handle, you get what you see over here. With the optional trigger handle installed, it's easily operational by hand. And then when installed into a portable yoke, it turns it into a handheld hammer unit that can get into those hard to reach places. The portable hammer comes with 3 dies as lower dies and then 1 upper die. It also comes with the necessary tools for removal and installation of the upper die. We also have an optional 18-piece die kit that can give you all the necessary tooling for any planishing job. Click the link on your screen for more information on this machine, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website at Trick-Tools.com or give us a call and we can answer any questions.